Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of prompt engineering real life examples, where in this video we'll be discussing about use of ChatGPT in medical industries, which can be like hospitals, clinics, or any healthcare institution. So yeah, without any further ado, let's just dive right into our ChatGPT. Alright, so first of all, if you can see like what kind of uses can we have in the field of medicine or in medical industries. So there can be variety of uses, right? So first of all, we can use prompt engineering or AI for research purposes if you want to look it up at some disease or some medicine or any, health related problems. So obviously we can use AI or ChatGPT in that. And other than that, there can be many other uses of that. One of them could be we can use that as data analysis of any patient or any person or anything. And the other use can be you can use that in some clinical researches or something like that. So yeah, there can be a variety of uses, but we'll discuss just 2 to 3 uses for today just to get an idea like how we can use that very efficiently and accurately in field of medicine. All right, so first example, we'll be doing a simple one. So let's just say if you have any disease or if you get some patient who's suffering from some disease or some is telling you some symptoms, so how can you advise that and how can you get help from ChatGPT to help you prescribe to that patient? So yeah, let's just write here. Alright, so I've written a patient here is telling symptoms of cough, fever, and running nose. What can it possibly be? So let's just see by these symptoms what kind of recommendation or you can say disease it can tell us. Alright, yeah, so as you guys can see based on the symptoms described above, so yeah, the AI or ChatGPT has told us like, it can be many potential causes. So one of them could be common cold, which is obviously very common nowadays. The other disease can be a flu or influenza. Then we have allergies. Then we also can have COVID-19, which can be a serious problem as well. Then it could be bronchitis as well. So yeah, these could be a few of the possibilities that the patient could have. So yeah, let's just now move forward and see how we can use ChatGPT for data analysis. So let's just say, alright, so I'm telling create me a data analysis of 50-year-old patient suffering from chronic disease. So let's just see what kind of data analysis is going to give it to us. Alright, yeah, so as you guys can see, I just created a data analysis report of a 50-year-old patient with chronic disease. First of all, it says you can fill it up with patient information, symptoms and clinical presentation, diagnostic test and measurements, medical history review, treatment and medications, and every useful information that a doctor or you can say a physician can use, and it can be very helpful for him. So if you want, you can make it a little bit cleaner as well by using one of our previous types of prompting that we did, which was tabular. So I'm just gonna prompt here like I'm just gonna say provide this whole data to me in tabular format. So let's just see how it's gonna provide us now. Alright, yeah, so now you can see it's looking a lot cleaner, and every information, every heading is now in its separate table, and with that it is very easy for us to understand and read that. So yeah, you can play with that like how much you want based on your necessity or requirement. So yeah, moving forward, let's just go to our last example for today, which was how you can use that in clinical researches. If you want to look up to any medicine or any drug, then you can obviously use it as well. So I'm just gonna type here like tell me the use of paracetamol tablets. So you see what kind of information it's going to provide me for that. Alright, yeah, so as you guys can see now, I typed in tell me the use of paracetamol tablets, and for that it gave me a lot of uses that you can use it for. So first of all, it is a good source of a pain relief. Then it can also reduce your fever. Then we have symptomatic relief, post-vaccination fever. Then we have osteoarthritis, and these were the few of the uses that paracetamol have. So yeah, with that you can also get a lot of help about different medicines and different drugs from ChatGPT. So you can get an idea from this example. So you can use ChatGPT as a medical instructor or a virtual doctor, and something like that to help you with all kind of queries, with all kind of questions about medical industry. All right, so that will be it for our video.